Candina, Cuba 42. According the Baltic International Maritime Statistics International Chamber of Shipping 2021, there are 2,263 officers in Cuba and 3,093 ratings, total 5,366. And this is according to the statistics of 2010 with no English language requirement. We could be having possibility to employ all these for your container ships if no US visa is required. Now, what are the wage scales today from Cuba, which in the past the government got the dollars, now we can pay them direct. In the past there was a public company there to source and recruit these seafarers, which there could be conflicts of interest in one way or another. Now we can do that direct in Candina. And the wages are today 3,700 the master, 2,400 the chief officer, 1,900 the second officer, chief engineer 3,300, then the other two second and third engineers, same as the chief officer and the second officer, and then we have oiler 1,200, fitter 1,200, then electromechanic then 1,900, AV 1,100, and then cook 1,900. This we could really employ within the framework of Caribbean, Pacific, South America, and Europe trade. So if you do have these kind of ships, we can also make ESG, corporate social responsibility, wage scales for them, and really be responsible in a way that we have always developed in shipping, crew management companies and ship owners, developing economies, and why not, irrespective of whatever parties or whatever systems political they have. But then this is an opportunity today for you, dear ship owner, because the rest of the ship is just doing what everybody does, but what about your ship? Let's think positive and really have this conversation today, because there is a way to solve this issue, and it is a real, true possibility, because Cyprus flag is very friendly to Cubans, for example, and we can really get the solution also for other Liberia, Marshall, Panama, Bahamas, Bermuda, and so on countries. Is no problem at all. And if you want to not include the English, perhaps the possibility and the supply is much bigger, like many Spanish ship owners have done, are doing, and will do outside from the pack. Thank you, like and subscribe, bye.